Hi, I'm Simon Nussbaum.
And I'm Gretchen. We lead Green Dot Sign, a nationwide provider of sustainable ADA and wayfinding signage.
You care about your building, brand, and planet. However, the traditional ADA and wayfinding signs in your buildings are bad for our planet. We know because we used to make them at our first sign company.
But Green Dot Sign is a better company making better signs with natural materials and 3D printing technology. The result is beautiful, sustainable signage.
So you can take as much pride in your signage as all the other business details you sweat.
Each Green Dot sign reduces plastic demand by half a pound.
And instead of using non biodegradable plastics made from fossil fuels, choosing a wood based sign sequesters carbon while the sign is in use, then it decomposes naturally.
We're also experts in ADA sign requirements, available to help or consult. Many of our projects include ADA sign needs evaluation, sign design, fabrication, and installation, so you can hand off the whole process.
We've tested and tested and tested our signs. They're durable.
And did we mention they can cost less than traditional ADA signs?
I'd love to talk to you anytime about anything sign related. After all, my name Simon does rhyme with sign man.
Thank you for your time and commitment to our planet.